It's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope everybody is having a great week so far. I'm still in New York City, dog sitting again for a friend. You might see my sleepy cameraman, Clint and Pax again in the background. Today, I have a super duper quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in stablecoins. Today specifically with RLUSD. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the article. Here are benefits if RLUSD gets successfully integrated into Cardano, according to an analyst. There has been talk that Ripple's stablecoin, RLUSD, could be integrated into Cardano. And it was verified by Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's founder. He said that he's been talking with Ripple's founders. There is an issue right now, though, with the business side of things not aligning with the developer side of things. I have a whole other video where Charles explains his relationship with the Ripple team. I'll link that up above if you want to check it out. But today, I want to talk about the implications for the Cardano community, what that could mean for the ecosystem, and what an analyst had to say about that. Market analyst Merlin the Trader had some insights on this issue. He stated, massive offer from Cardano's founder. Integrate RLUSD into the ADA DeFi ecosystem at no cost. This opens the door to new LPs, liquidity pools, extra yield, cross-chain DeFi plays. If this gets executed, LPs flood in, TVL spikes, DeFi on Cardano levels up. I think the biggest thing right now is cross-chain integration and DeFi plays. The more we work together, the more we fight this crypto tribalism, I think the stronger the DeFi space will be. More and more folks will get into blockchain, and I think we'll build better things together. I'm curious to hear your thoughts though. When do you think RLUSD will finally be on Cardano? Do you think this will be beneficial for the ecosystem? And what else does the Cardano ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with a friend who loves this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!